Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make your TikTok accounts public. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you want to switch your account from private to public, here the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And after that, we're gonna tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. This will pop up. Now we're gonna tap on the last option, settings and privacy. And now we're gonna choose the second option, privacy. And as you see here, it says private account. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos, and your existing followers won't be affected. Now to make your account public, then you can just toggle this off like I'm doing here. So I'm gonna tap on it to toggle it off, and this will pop up and it says anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Only you can do it with your videos, and only you can download your videos. Now I'm gonna hit switch, and like that, I've made my account public. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.